Good morning everyone. My name is Purvi Sanjay Sagar. I am studying in 7th class. My school name is
जिल्हा
Jilla Parishad Upper Primary School Moada Mota. Panchayat Samiti Ghatanji Jilla Parishad Yavatmal.
Okay. Good morning, Purvi. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Today I am going to ask you some word and you have to tell me the spelling and the proper pronunciation of that word with its meaning too in Marathi. Are you ready for that? First word, little.
Little. Little म्हणजे लहान.
Very good. Pretty.
Pretty म्हणजे सुंदर.
Another word, round.
ROUND round म्हणजे गोल.
Neighbor.
NEIGHBOUR neighbor म्हणजे शेजारी.
Attention.
ATTENTION
Attention.
attention म्हणजे लक्ष.
Decorate.
DECORATE decorate म्हणजे सजवणे.
Smile.
SMILE smile म्हणजे हसू.
People.
people म्हणजे लोक.
PEOPLE. People म्हणजे लोक. Because.
BECAUSE
Because म्हणजे
कारण.
ओके गुड. टाइम.
time म्हणजे वेळ.
व्हेरी नाईस. ट्रॉडिंग.
ट्रॉडिंग म्हणजे तुडवत चालणे.
एक्सप्लेन.
EXTNPN